Hey everyone, this is Apurva Priyadarshini from Patna, Bihar. I'm a chemical technologist and currently pursuing my EGMP certification course from IIM Trichy. It has been 3 wonderful years for me to work with ITC as a manufacturing executive. This course is helping me drive more towards achieving my career goals. At the very beginning of the module, we had a subject called as organizational behavior, which is also one of my favorite subjects. So just by attending few lectures and being a part of classroom discussions, I started developing a leadership mindset. This program has helped to transform the journey from an executive skill set to a leadership skill set. I'm confident about my decisions, the methodologies. This program has helped me bridge in my educational gaps. And the best part is, whatever you learn, you get a platform to apply and practice it in EMBA. And of course, after getting the IM tag, the horizon of opportunities has broadened like never before. While pursuing this course is an added advantage. The class timings for our batch is on Saturday evenings. So basically you get your entire Sunday free. It is pretty much easier to manage personal, professional and study life. Just devoting 1 to 2 hours per day in the week would suffice, I would say. Of course, the more you invest, the more returns you would get. Also, by any chance, if you miss the class, we have pre-recorded video lectures which we can view at any time. For me, it was very much easier to manage the classroom timings and I could manage to get 100% attendance still. Experience while pursuing this course, it has really been a wonderful one. At times, it was like a roller coaster ride, lots of group assignments, quizzes, individual assignments, case studies, and then sometimes it was going just too smooth. But when I look back, each and every step was worth it. The experience in itself has a lot of takeaways with it, like time management, prioritization, team building, and many more. The overall experience has really been an enriching one. It has helped me develop not only in professional dimensions, but also at an individual and intellectual level. I'm really grateful to Jaro Education for introducing me to this course. Jaro Education has always been a bridge between me and IIM Trichy. In fact, I got to know about the course also from one of the sources of Jaro Education. They were right there to help us for any issues, whether it be technical, related to administration, course modules, fee payment, admission procedure. They were right there to support us. Thank you, Jaro Education, for that.